Good morning, and a final good morning from this place. So I am leaving to my travels afterwards. So maybe I just can give you a short room tour. So there was a bed, the desk, all the storage, and then you go back here, and then you have like the bathroom there, a window. So that's basically it, where I was living last 5 weeks. And so this is the last morning. I am packed up, so everything out there. Now I need to get to the bus terminal. So first check out, then go to bus terminal, and then my journey starts to Mexico City. So let's go. And now I am in the city center of Mexico City, and so I am just walking through a park here right now. It's very crowded actually, so there are a lot of people. It's green, it's nice, it's in the middle of the city, and so I don't have too much time actually here, so I would just go through the park and then take an Uber probably to the airport, because tonight, so at 8:15, I'm flying to Tuxtla Gutierrez, so Chiapas, seeing some jungle, and then from there I will directly go to San Cristobal to do 2 day tours. And so on the second day tour I will basically end up in Palenque, so I will stay then in Palenque, stay 2 days there, and then go back to Tuxtla. So this is like the first part of my journey here through Mexico. So I'm very excited, very curious how it all works out, because I planned everything on my own basically. So with the flights, with the buses, and so on. So let's see how it works out. I'm very curious. I want to really see some of the ancient Maya pyramids. So I'm excited, and I will take you along with me. So let's go. I just landed in Chiapas, so Tuxtla Gutierrez, and so today I will just try to get to San Cristobal. So I ordered a taxi, and then I just try to get to my accommodation for today. So that's it. And for tomorrow the first tour is planned. I think the tour has changed, so the original tour I was planning does not take place, but therefore I will try to get another tour. So I would say I will just go to my accommodation now, and then see you tomorrow. And good morning here from San Cristobal, and I just had my first night at a hostel, which was actually quite good. So I slept pretty well. Now I'm just walking to a meeting point for a day tour, and so the original plan has changed, obviously, because I wanted to see the El Chiflón waterfall and the Montebello lakes, but seems that there are not enough people for the tour. Let's see. So because of that, I got the offer to switch my tour to the Sumidera Canyon tour. So that's what I'm doing today. But first things first, go to a meeting point, which is a cafe. So I try to get my breakfast there, and I see you on the tour. good evening, and yeah, last evening actually in San Cristobal, so that went fast. The tour today was so nice, like the canyon, the iguanas, the crocodiles, so there was an amazing experience. Now I'm just trying to get some, maybe go back to the light, that's better. So I'm just about to get some water for tomorrow, because tomorrow I have another tour planned, which will end in Palenque actually. So I will visit Misolha, Agua Azul and Palenque, and I will stay in Palenque because on Wednesday I have another tour planned. So yeah, looking forward to that, and therefore now I just try to get some water and also some tacos and cash. So that's the plan for now, so let's go. Mission 1 accomplished, City Banamex. Good bank in Mexico because you only pay 30 pesos of fee, whereas for other banks you sometimes have like 197 pesos fees, which is like, I don't know, 10 euros. So that's crazy. And yeah, therefore mission 1 accomplished. Now get some food and then try to find a store to get some water. And there is a beautiful old Volkswagen Beetle there. I will just show you really quick. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? There it is. It's nice. So yeah, probably try to find some tacos and then let's eat. So see you there. And good morning to the first destination of the day. So it's the second day in Chiapas basically. Yesterday was the canyon tour and today was basically a very early start. So I started at 3:30 from San Cristobal with a day tour basically to Agua Azul, Agua Azul, Misolha and Palenque. And yeah, so after some complications with our car, we are finally now, so it's 9:30, we are now at the Agua Azul Waterfalls. So yeah, we will have a look at that. I will show you a bit around. And then at 11, so I have 1.5 hours here now. At 11 we continue to Misolha, and then we continue to Palenque. So let's have a look at the waterfalls. So it seems to be, I think rain season is from July to November or something like that. So therefore it seems to be that there are some parts of the waterfall that are just empty. And yeah, but still looks so good. It looks amazing. I'm just strolling through the jungle. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be here. There is just a colibri flying around here, which is beautiful. Yeah, I'm just strolling around, the jungle. Almost slipped. I'm actually in the middle of the jungle. But I guess that's the way to go. I don't know. So I am here on this side, and the official path is over there. Oops. Well, I don't care, I like it here on this side. I think during rain season, actually where I'm walking should be water, so... And the stones are quite slippery from time to time. That's beautiful. Yep, that's what you get when you don't take the official paths. So I'm finishing my time here in Agua Azul, or at Agua Azul. It's a beautiful waterfall and it's such a nice water. Yeah, it's 11:15, so I need to be at the bus in 15 minutes latest. So I will just get there now. I already down the waterfall, so I was up there somewhere. And yeah, so next stop should be Misolha. So I'm very excited how that one will be, and yeah, see you there. So, and direct switch to the next destination. So this is now Misolha. This is another waterfall, and it's beautiful and it's big. I love it. And welcome back. So I am here directly in Palenque, so in the Maya city, and it's incredible. So we did a jungle tour for 1 hour and basically just strolling directly through the jungles, seeing monkeys and everything. That was incredible. So I was in the Teotihuacan side as well, and I would say this one is definitely the more beautiful one, because you can see some structure in the buildings and not only the pyramids. So behind me there's this El Palazzo, I think, so like the central palace. I'm just standing on one of the pyramids, and the fact that it's located directly in the jungle is amazing. So you just have jungle around everywhere. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And whenever you're in Mexico, I really recommend Palenque. So I will show you a bit more. So let's go.